In this lesson, we will explore building a culture of inventory excellence, the human and organizational side of effective inventory management. While tools, systems, and technologies are essential, true inventory excellence depends on people, mindset, and company culture. Creating an environment where every team member understands, values, and contributes to inventory performance is key to achieving long-term success. A culture of inventory excellence starts with leadership commitment. Senior management must recognize inventory management as a strategic function, not just an operational task. Leaders set the tone by emphasizing the importance of accuracy, efficiency, and continuous improvement. When executives link inventory performance to business outcomes such as profitability, customer satisfaction, and sustainability, employees across all levels see its true value. Clear communication of goals and metrics is another cornerstone. Everyone involved in inventory, from warehouse staff and planners to finance and procurement teams, should understand key performance indicators like turnover ratios, fill rates, and accuracy levels. When teams know what success looks like, they can align their efforts towards shared objectives. Training and skill development are vital. Investing in employee education on inventory principles, data analysis, and system usage empowers staff to make informed decisions. Cross-functional training encourages collaboration between departments such as operations, logistics, and sales, breaking down silos that often lead to inefficiencies. Accountability plays an important role in maintaining standards. Establishing clear ownership for inventory accuracy, replenishment, and reporting ensures that responsibilities are well defined. Regular audits, performance reviews, and transparent reporting create a culture of accountability and trust. Technology adoption is most effective when paired with cultural readiness. Modern inventory systems, automation, and analytics tools can only deliver results when employees understand and embrace them. Encouraging innovation and experimentation, such as using AI for demand forecasting or IoT for tracking, fosters engagement and continuous improvement. Empowering frontline employees is another key strategy. Those who work closest to inventory often have the best insights into inefficiencies, bottlenecks, or improvement opportunities. Creating open channels for feedback and rewarding problem-solving behaviors motivates employees to take ownership of results. Recognition and reward systems reinforce positive behavior. Celebrating achievements like improved accuracy, reduced waste, or higher service levels motivates teams to sustain excellence. Recognition programs can range from simple appreciation to performance-based incentives tied to measurable inventory KPIs. Collaboration and transparency across departments strengthen inventory culture. Regular meetings between planning, procurement, sales, and logistics teams ensure alignment between demand, supply, and operations. Sharing real-time data across functions builds trust and enables faster, more informed decisions. A culture of inventory excellence also prioritizes continuous improvement. Implementing lean practices, conducting root cause analyses, and using feedback loops help teams identify and eliminate inefficiencies. Organizations that embrace a learning mindset view mistakes not as failures but as opportunities to improve. Sustainability and ethics are increasingly becoming part of inventory culture as well. Encouraging responsible sourcing, waste reduction, and green initiatives connects employees to a larger purpose and enhances the organization's reputation. In summary, building a culture of inventory excellence is about people, leadership, and shared purpose. By fostering education, accountability, collaboration, and innovation, organizations can turn inventory management into a source of competitive advantage. When every employee understands their role in maintaining accuracy, efficiency, and customer satisfaction, excellence becomes not just a goal, but a standard of everyday operations.